Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DPW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Yeah, today was pretty anticlimactic. I mean, I know there's that gap up, and then after the gap up, the price, the bears took over and just shoved the price all the way back down here. But that's what's kind of created the interesting setup going forward, and that setup revolves all around this 92-cent level right there, which I have talked about in past videos, hence the green line down here, and just kind of a quick trip down memory lane. You can see on several occasions the price has gone down and hit this 92-cent mark, and each and every time there's been a very nice bounce from that level. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish trading was this easy. Just because this has happened several times in the past does not mean that if the price goes down to 92 cents that it will for sure bounce to the upside, because for sure implies guarantee, and there's just no such thing as a guarantee in the market. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, it would not be shocking at all. I mean, it's already happened 3 times before. But myself nor anyone else can sit here for the reasons I said and say that it will for sure happen. But nonetheless, 92 cents, very interesting area from a trading perspective. And actually, did it ever go down and hit that any other times? Yeah, I guess once right there too, way back then. But we'll just focus on these nearer term areas. So 92 cents historic level, and it's definitely within striking distance. I'm not saying it will, the price will go down there, but given that it's pretty close to it, it's also not unreasonable to think that, yeah, maybe the price could actually pull down to that level. In the event the price does hit 92 cents and then bounce from there, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, with any sort of bounce, that first key level to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. You can already see in the short term right here, price fell below it, and now it's gone right to acting as resistance. So keep an eye on that, with, like I said, any sort of bounce. But yeah, definitely that interesting dynamic here all revolves around 92 cents. So I'm curious to see if the price is going to go down there, and then how the price reacts around there, and see if history can repeat itself, and there's a nice bounce that follows. So only time will tell. Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.